What's happening, guys? Welcome to another Booze and Chill music video breakdown. Yeah. So if you've been keeping up with these music video breakdowns, I've been doing back-to-back K-pop. That's enough of that. K-pop, boy band kind of stuff. Again, back-to-back. I've been doing Stray Kids, and may I say the fandom is crazy, dude. Crazy. Some. I could probably say most are a little bit, whatever. But today is a little bit different. Something is a little bit up my alley. I'm familiar with this band. I've only heard them a handful of times. And the band that we're going to be looking into is called Band-Maid. And this band was actually, this was requested, actually. This was requested by somebody in the comments from the other breakdowns that I've mentioned. I'll leave the links to both of those in the show notes down below. And the commenter here, it goes by BM4Life-810. Hello, Mr. Boozer. Can you please check out an all-female group of out of Japan called Band-Maid and the song Alone? Thanks. Little cheers, little happy face on there. Now, again, I've heard the band a handful of times. I have to give a shout out to my good friends at the MCU Bleeding Edge, my good friend Jeff, who actually introduced me to Band-Maid, and I liked them. I enjoyed them. Again, it's something right up my alley, just, in Japanese. Now, let's read a little bit about Band-Maid before we get into the music video breakdown. What do you say? So, Band-Maid is a Japanese rock band formed in 2013, consisting of singer Saki Atsumi, guitarist/singer Miku Kabatu, lead guitarist Kanami Tono, bassist Misa, and drummer Akane Hiroshi, I apologize for that. The band combines a rock sound with a maid image modeled on Japanese-made cafes. They are currently signed to Pony Canyon, and their genre is Japanese rock, so that's awesome. They are active. They're still doing the thing as far as I'm concerned. Let me know if you guys are fans of Band-Maid in the comments below. Like if you're a fan or like music video breakdowns and stuff like that. Of that nature, I mean. So what do you say? We get right onto the music video breakdown part. Shall we? I am getting somewhat. It's reminding me of Sum 41, the intro to a Sum 41 song. I can't remember the title, but it's So Am I Still Waiting for This World to Stop Waiting. It kind of reminds me of that intro to that song. It's got almost the same kind of tempo, which is like it's fine. Like not some songs sometimes sound similar, sound alike, but I like that. It's very rock, because that's your thing, but it's also punky, because Sum 41 is a punk rock band, so there was already a little splash of punk in there, which I am a fan of, so I'm digging that shite. Not to mention the gear, the bass that they got there, man, shit. That's a sexy looking bass, let me tell you. I tell you what. I noticed that the guitarist, I think it might be the lead, I'm not entirely sure, I'm not familiar with the band members, but that one guitar is it's a shape, it's got a head of a Fender, but it's upside down. Now I'm assuming the way it was facing her right, so she's right-handed. It's just, I think she might have pulled off a Jimi Hendrix, where you just kind of flip the guitar and flip the strings around to get that unique sound. And I'm familiar with that because I'm a big Jimi Hendrix fan. So that's pretty cool. Also, the lead singer's voice, it's very pretty. It's very pretty and very melodic in this beginning part of the song. So I am excited to hear the rest of this. So we got a singing duet there, and they sync up very, very nicely. Everybody so far who is singing, just Very, very talented singers. They synchronize very nicely to give it like a nice little echoey kind of effect. So that's very nice. And it's again very, very pretty sounding voices. So it's pretty sounding voices and some very sick sounding rock music in the background. Love it. Oof, that little bass, little in there like oh man, that was sick. That was super super sick. Not to mention the maid outfits. The maid outfits just it's a giant plus, and you know it. You know it. Oh, we got into the part where we're about to get to the fast pace of the song. We just got the intro. You got the intro, we got the middle verse, and now we're gonna get the chorus, the climax of of every song. And I like the way they built up to it. I like the way how they dived into it. The lead singer, again, I don't understand what's going on, but it's flowing so beautifully. The maid outfits, I'm telling you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. The music is good. The music is good. The music is bitchin'. And the music video is so simple. I like that concept where they kind of just focus more on the music and they just kind of go easy on the music video. It's kind of like content, really. As long as your message comes across and it's powerful, you don't really have to work so much on this right here. So I really really like that. It's pretty cool. And plus I like the, what are they called? The lights, the flickering lights. I cannot remember the name of them, but that's pretty cool. It's a nice, very nice touch. That last part, it sounded like do he goza. Goza is thing in Spanish, so that's what I got out of it. I know that's not what it meant, but that's what my Mexican brain got. Goza, you're a goza. You're a thing. Again, I know that's not what it means, but that's what I got. So whatever. Let's keep it going. I'm digging that part. That I like that. It's like the equivalent to the oi, 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 maybe, possibly, but softer. That drummer killing it on this section. That very fast-paced stuff, very technical drumming stuff in the back there for that little part. It's kind of like I guess we can call it her little mini drum solo to kick into another section of the song, which is nice. Some more duetting happening, and again, it flows very, very nicely, very beautifully. Obviously, they're all fucking talented. They got voices, and they got the gear, and they got the skills. They got the fucking skills to just like really thrive, and it's very nice. Very, very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. Also, I've been noticing that not only has there been a lot of all-female bands popping up, but I've just been listening to a lot of all-female bands lately, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying like that's fucking cool. That's the fact that they're coming out a lot more these days. So badass. I like that little part. Dun, 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 dun. It also reminds me of something else. What does that sound like? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, this is gonna kill me. But it sounds like something. But again, it's sometimes some songs just sounds kind of sort of similar to others. Some more than others, and sometimes those musicians and or groups or musician or artists get into trouble. But that's not the case here. Again, it's just it happens sometimes. But again, I like it. I like it. I like how there's little different sections of the song, and it just kind of like it starts off like this, and then they go boom, 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 and it just hitting you from all directions. Very nice. I especially am digging the sections where they break into or they're coming into the chorus. I love that triumphant part. Just the drummer just like, and then they come in with the very, very nice. Again, a very fast pace. So this kind of sort of does fall into the category of not just rock, but of punk, which is very, very cool. And the outfit just is just also punky as well. I mean, all the greats have done it. Like the Ramones, they've done it with the leather jackets. All of them wear leather jackets. Who else has done this? I mean, the Misfits. They all had their own horror themed thing, and they all dress like freaking zombies and whatnot. It's just a thing, and I like it. And did I also mention it's kind of hot? Once again, I don't know what they're saying, but it's catchy. It's catchy. I'm gonna end up finding myself probably coming back to this, listening to it, and then it's gonna get stuck in my head, and I'm gonna just be maybe not so much. Well, maybe at some point I'm gonna learn it, not knowing what I'm saying. I'll look up the lyrics. I'll just look up the lyrics. But I'm gonna find myself humming it probably after. You know what I mean? There it is again. Something cosa. In my brain, I feel like she's just throwing in a little bit of Spanish in there, but I know it's not, but it's like that's what I'm getting. Jeebus, the bass is going crazy in the background while the lead singer is again. I don't know what she's saying, but I'm sure it's something poetic or something powerful. But as she's going on, the bass is back here just, and then we're jumping into a guitar motherfucking solo, and I'm psyched to listen. I'm gonna shut up and listen to this. God damn, that fucking face melter of a solo, man. That was, not only was that impressive, not only was that fucking sick as shit, but that was also extremely attractive. Ooh, I did not expect it to keep going. I thought that was it. Holy shit, dude. That was impressive. That was sick as shit. That solo was cool. There was a piece of it that reminded me, or not reminded me, but sounded something that would probably be in some sort of Michael Jackson album, probably. Once again, very hot. We're close to the end of this music video, and I am just, it's a wild ride, man. There's a wild ride. The song is titled Alone, and you think of this word alone, and you're expecting something maybe slightly bit slower, and a lot more of a downer, I guess you could say. Like, I was not really expecting for this to be so hyped. The energy of the music is so hyped, but I guess that's the whole point. It's you listen to something that you're kind of like, you're in the mood, you're in that certain mood, and you listen to something that's going to, give you that opposite of what it is you're feeling. You know what I mean? Like you're bummed out, so you listen to, I'm gonna listen to this song. It's titled Alone. That's kind of what I'm feeling. And then you listen to it, and then bam, you're all of a sudden you're like, fuck that shit. Let's go. Good stuff. Once again, I'm super loving the energy of the entire music video and how the entire band is like working as a unit. Like everyone just like going crazy on their instruments and everything. The drummer though, I like it when they pan to the drummer and she's just like going at it like a motherfucker, dude. It's super good stuff. And like I said, very high energy, which is again, I like the direction they kind of went with this. Like I said, the song title is sad. Sorry, the song title is sad, but the music is put in there on purpose to get you out of that funk. Super awesome stuff. Thumbs up to that, guys. And that wraps up this Booze and Chill music video breakdown. And man, once again, this band, handful of times that I've heard them, and I got to hear them once again. Shout out to the commenter. Thank you for that recommendation. Thank you for reminding me, that Band-Maid is just fucking awesome. They're just something. There's something. All female band, all of them super talented. Like I said, I love the direction that they went with in this song. Sad title. You put them in your ears, and you're done with that. You're done with that feeling alone shit because you are just hyped up. Especially once that solo hits. That solo just like that's gonna put you in a good, just energized. You're gonna be pumped. You're gonna be pumped, dude. So, song overall, super good. Super thumbs up, guys. Good stuff. Like I said, I'm probably gonna come back and just listen to it because the solo, honestly, the solo that got to me. Me as a guitarist, it fucking got to me. Good stuff. And well, that's about it, guys. That was Band-Maid Alone. Leave a like if you like the breakdown. Leave a like if you're a fan of Band-Maid, and leave your comments right down below. You have any other recommendations for me to check out? And that's it for that, guys. I will see you, in the next video. And I am out. Remember, if you keep watching, I'm going to keep drinking. I don't have anything on me, but that's okay. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.